were doing work on our transmitters. It was a lavish gala for a great cause. The 19th annual Daffodil Ball was held at Windsor Station this evening. It's an event that raises money for the Canadian Cancer Society. Since the ball began in 1994, $23 million has been raised. And they don't call it the Daffodil Ball for nothing. 30,000 of the yellow flowers were incorporated into the ballroom's decor tonight. The daffodil is the Canadian Cancer Society's logo. 30,000.
That's pretty good. Yes. And Blair Wells and I, the editor, are working overtime tonight because they're going into double overtime.
It'll be fun, though.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us. Good night.
Good night.
Et vivement...
Mais ce sera froid demain matin.
Oui, oui, mais bon, on va passer par-dessus la pluie, la neige, le verglas. Merci, madame.
OK, à tantôt.
Bon, je vous ai dit qu'on allait parler culture. Commençons par le bal des Jonquilles. C'était hier soir.
C'est plus un événement mondain que culturel. Hein? Alors, c'est hier soir à Montréal que se tenait le bal de la Jonquille. Alors, célèbre pour son décor assez spectaculaire, fait de 30 000 jonquilles. Le bal avait cette année comme coprésident Jacinthe Côté, chef de la direction à Rio Tinto Alcan, Paul Paty, président et co-directeur général de FedNav Limité, et Kaline Rovinescu, président et chef de la direction à Air Canada. Alors, des gens qui font aussi de l'actualité en ce moment pour d'autres raisons. Alors, la soirée bénéfice se tenait à la gare Windsor sous le thème « Alice au Pays des Merveilles ».
Un lieu assez exceptionnel, la gare Windsor. Et effectivement, ces dirigeants d'entreprise ont d'autres chats à fouetter en ce moment. Et dans le secteur, dans le cas de Rio Tinto Alcan, c'est un lockout allemand.
Et Air Canada, c'est l'histoire d'Aveos qui continue évidemment de faire couler beaucoup d'encre. Il y a eu,
Alors voilà. Ça leur a fait une petite soirée relax hier. Madame.
Oui, je vous parle bonne nouvelle pour le film du Québécois Kim Nguyen qui a gagné un
CTV Postscript for this week. It was a lavish gala for a great cause. The 19th annual Daffodil Ball was held at Windsor Station last night. Since the ball began in 1994, $23 million has been raised for the Canadian Cancer Society. Still to come, it might be time to relax. We'll look at new links.
Global News, Montreal.
Well, the Daffodil Ball, the most successful annual cancer-related fundraising event in Canada, took place right here in Montreal last night. The theme of the gala evening at Windsor Station was Alice in Wonderland. The famous story offered guests and decorators plenty of inspiration. The ball offered celebrity guests and dignitaries fine dining and terrific entertainment. The Daffodil Ball has raised more than $10 million for the Canadian Cancer Society in the last 6 years.
When one person is generous, well, then it encourages everybody to be and to give a little bit more. So it's good to support and be here. And
And that is your evening news from Global Montreal. For now, tune in for more local news at 11.
It's the little film garnering big Hollywood buzz, but first time to check in with one of Primetime's biggest breakout stars. Time for your entertainment headlines out of Quebec. Karine Vanasse looks gorgeous at the Daffodil Ball in Montreal last night. The lavish event raising $1.6 million for the Canadian Cancer Society, a cause close to the star's heart.
I've had mainly breast cancer in my family, but I've been lucky so far. People close to me have been really lucky also, but it doesn't mean anything for the future.
Vanasse finds out on May 15th whether Pan Am's run is officially over and if her new pilot Scruples has been picked up.
I don't know, but I'm definitely going to be waiting for an answer.
Next, we get a sneak peek at Cirque du Soleil's 30-second show, I'm a Luna, in the Old Port this week. For the first time